Hi, welcome to Math 096 Online. This is Caitlin Worth, your instructor. I'm going to guide you through how to navigate our online course. So first thing is that you're going to want to use Firefox for all of your online um, activities. So you open up Firefox and we're going to go to the GCC website. All right, over here in the upper right you see a login button. You want to click that and choose Moodle. Apologize that my internet's being a little bit slow. Okay, so you're going to sign into Moodle. It's the same sign in as your GCC email. So the first part of your GCC email before the stu email, whatever, and then it's the same password as your email as well. Okay, so now once you're in, you're going to see all the courses that you're taking listed under Fall 2016. For me, this is all the courses that I'm teaching. Okay, so 096B, Intermediate Algebra, that's the course that this intro video is for. So we click that to open it. And this is our Moodle site. Still loading a little bit. Okay, so let's read this block up here together. This is our Moodle site. You find all course materials here. If you scroll the window down a bit, you'll see that each week of the course has a box, and the assignments for each week are posted there as a to-do list. So if we scroll down a little bit, here's our first box for week 1, September 5th to September 11th. There's a to-do list there, and anything that you need to complete the to-do list is either this in the syllabus listed here, right, or posted right underneath the to-do list. So let's look at the week 1 to-do list. Okay, so there's a to-do list. There's check boxes next to each item, so you should check them off as you go. And so you can see that each week looks pretty much the same. Under each week, there's a to-do list. If there are any special files or links you need to complete that to-do list, they appear right underneath the to-do list. So see in week 3, there's a discussion that's going to be something to do in your to-do list, and it's right underneath the to-do list. Week 4, you've got a quiz, and so it's posted right underneath the to-do list. So the orientation week has a lot of extra stuff in here because there's a lot of things that you need to do that are out of the ordinary to get yourself oriented. All right, so this first block, not the weekly, above all the weekly blocks, contains resources you'll need to refer to throughout the semester. Class announcements, where I'll post important information, and those class announcements also automatically get emailed to your student email account, so make sure you check one or the other. Syllabus and other documents. This has everything that you'll need to refer to throughout the semester. It's got the syllabus, the course schedule by week, course lecture videos, and course lecture packet. This is going to be the bulk of what you're doing at home. Okay, this and homework. Okay, so course lecture videos, this takes you to a YouTube playlist. And your weekly to-do lists will tell you what videos to watch from this playlist. It says fall 2015 because that's when I recorded these videos. So it'll tell you which videos from here to watch as you work through the semester. And then the course lecture packet, this is for you to take notes on as you watch the videos, and I will not check it or anything, but it's really helpful for taking notes. I will print one for you because it has a lot of pages. You just have to send me an email and ask me, let me know you want me to print one, and I will do that for you. You can come to campus and pick it up. Now, my math lab is the second website we're going to be using this semester. The first is Moodle. You're going to go to Moodle every day to see what you're supposed to be doing, to work through discussions or quizzes, and then your homework is going to be in my math lab, and that's also where you'll find a copy of your of your textbook. So that's something that people ask a lot. Do I have to buy the textbook and the access code? You really only need a My Math Lab access code because the textbook and electronic version of the textbook is available through there. So we'll open up My Math Lab just to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to click sign in because I have an account. If you have an account already, you'll just click sign in and use your same account. But if you don't, you will register as a student. And there are instructions on how to register for My Math Lab in the syllabus and other documents folder. So if you click in here, one of the things in here is My Math Lab registration instructions. So you'll use that to help you get registered in My Math Lab. All right, once you're registered, you'll just sign in. So this is my login. Okay, now you're gonna, once you log in, you're gonna see a list of courses that you are taking through My Math Lab. It's probably just gonna be mine, but you might have another course there. So Math 096, Intermediate Algebra, Online, Fall 2016, that's our course. So you click in there. Okay, while we're waiting for that to load, I'm going to talk about this menu over on the left. So the main things you're going to be using here are Course Home, which is what just loaded, and it tells you what things are coming up next, but it only ever shows 3. If there are more than 3 things due, you won't see it, so I wouldn't rely on that. It also shows a calendar of upcoming things that are due. So what I would want you to click is Homework. Go right to Homework. And you get a list of homework for the entire semester. It's all already posted. The due dates are right next to each assignment on the left. So you can just log in and look at all the homework. You are more than welcome to work ahead if you want to watch videos ahead of time or read the textbook. Now your grade book in My Math Lab is only going to contain your homework grade. It's only going to contain your grade that you've been working on homework in My Math Lab. Your regular grade for the course is going to appear in Moodle. I'll show you where that is in a minute. Now to access your textbook, go to your multimedia library. And let's say we're working on chapter 1. Want to look at all sections. Actually, let's pick a section. Let's say we're working on section 1.3, graphing equations. These are all the different media things you can look at. So I'm going to suggest your textbook, and the section video lectures are really helpful. So let's see what they've got for section 1.3. You can click on the multimedia textbook, and it will open a new window with your textbook. Make this a little bigger. All right, so here's your textbook. You can read section 1.3, and then when you're ready to go to the next page, you click this little arrow up here, turns the page. And then you can also navigate over here using the table of contents. If you wanted to jump to chapter 5, you just click there. All right, so that's your textbook. In the multimedia textbook, there's little things you can click, right? There's an example, an animation, and then the example video. So you can click those if you're interested. And then if you open the video lecture, this is a lecture provided by the textbook publisher, by Pearson. So I guess I have to update. Oh, maybe I can just click activate. There we go. Okay, so this is a video provided by Pearson, not by me, your instructor. My videos you access through through Moodle, and it will take you to YouTube. But these are pretty great videos also, and you can use them to supplement the videos and the notes you take that were provided by me. So this gives you the 4 things that you're supposed to learn in section 1.3, and then you can watch a video on each of them. All right, so that's pretty much my math lab. Homework, multimedia library. Those are the main things you're going to use. All right, let's go back to Moodle here. Go back to our main course page. General Help Forum. This is a place for you to ask course-related questions. Content, homework, projects, due dates, technology, any kind of question you have, you can ask it there. And then also feel free to answer a classmate's question. I'll also monitor and provide input and answers when necessary. Quiz and test solutions. As the semester goes along, after a quiz is due, I will post the solutions in this folder so you can check your work. And then Word versions of assignments will be here. So basically, under each week, if there's, say, a quiz, it'll be posted as a PDF file because that's the most universally openable kind of file. But if you would prefer a Word version, they'll all be here in this folder. All right, so that pretty much goes through how each week is going to be run. You can see the first test is in week 7. All right, so let's go up here and look at the grade book. So my course has a grades. That's what we want. Click grades. And when you click grades, it will just come up something looking like this. So this is me, and every assignment that you have for the semester is listed here, and as you hand them in and they are graded, your grade will appear over here on the left. So that's how you can check your grade. And then your course total grade will appear right here. All right, so I think that covers most of the online navigation. In your orientation week, the activities in this week are gonna help you get much more acquainted with these 2 websites and how I expect you to hand your work in, etc. But I think this video is long enough. So good luck with the semester. Feel free to contact me at any time if you have any problems or questions. And that's it.